Hey everyone! Welcome back to Trendly Excel Tips. Today I'm going to show you a super useful tool in Excel, the right formula, which helps you pull out characters from the right side of any text. Let's jump in. So the right formula is super simple. It looks like this equals right text, number of characters. That means you tell Excel where the text is and how many characters you want from the right side. And trust me, this formula saves time like crazy. Let's say you have a name with their ID, but you only want the last 6 digits. The numbers? Just type equals right, B26, and boom. You instantly get numbers. No manual cutting, no editing, just one formula. Super handy for IDs, usernames, codes, anything. And that's the right formula. Quick, clean, and extremely useful. Try it out in your sheets and see how much faster your workflow becomes. If you enjoyed this tip, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Excel hacks. See you next time.